In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background on Jotform. First things first, Jotform is a powerful online application that allows you to design custom forms for your website or blog. So knowing how to customize it can really help your forms stand out and match your site's unique style. Today we're diving into how you can easily change the background of your Jotform, giving it a fresh new look that aligns perfectly with your branding or personal preferences. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the Jotform website. Once you're there, you'll see a plethora of options. But what we're interested in is logging into your account. If you haven't already created an account, now would be a good moment to do so. It's a simple process, and Jotform offers various methods for signing up, including using your Google account for a quicker setup. Assuming you've logged in or signed up, your next step is to go to the My Forms section of Jotform. This area is essentially the headquarters for all the forms you've created. It's where you can manage, edit, and analyze the performance of each form. Now let's pick the form you want to revamp, browse through your collection in My Forms, and select the form you're looking to edit. Once you've found it, click on the Edit Form button. This action will take you into the form builder where all the magic happens. Inside the form builder, you're going to look for the Form Designer option, or the icon that looks like a rolling paintbrush. Clicking this will open up a new world of customization options for your form, including the one we're focusing on today, changing the background. Upon entering the form designer, find and click on the form color option. This is where you can get really creative. Jotform offers a wide palette of colors to choose from, so take your time to pick the color that best fits your form's aesthetic or the branding of your website or business. Once you've selected your new background color, the change should apply immediately, giving you a live preview of what your form looks like with a new background. It's always a good idea to preview the form in various environments to ensure the background color works well in different scenarios, such as on mobile devices or when embedded in your website. Remember, a well-chosen background color can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your form, making it more inviting for people to fill out. Whether you're aiming for a professional look with subdued tones or a vibrant, eye-catching design, the background color sets the mood for your form, and that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully changed the background of your Jotform. It's amazing how such a simple adjustment can make a big difference in the look and feel of your form. Before we wrap up, here's a final tip. Always consider the color psychology and how colors affect mood and behavior. Choosing the right color can boost form submission rates and enhance user experience. So don't be afraid to experiment with different hues until you find the perfect match for your form. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you in customizing your Jotform to better match your style or brand identity. Don't forget to experiment with other features in the form designer to truly make your form stand out. Happy designing!